I'm Jenn Kapahi, the co-founder and co-CEO of Trestique, the beauty brand that simplifies your everyday beauty routine. It's your full face in a case that fits in the palm of your hand. We were inspired by French beauty because it's very simple and minimalistic. It comes from the phrase très chic, and so Trestique is loosely translated cool sticks. I think it goes back to my second job at Bloomingdale's. I managed the floor, and the number one thing the customers came in to ask for was just a few essentials. It got me thinking, and I wrote this concept of what I called the Essential 8 that's minimalistic. And that's what I saw missing from the beauty industry. And 8 is a number that's the luckiest in Chinese culture, and I'm half Chinese. So fast forward about 10 years, I got tired of the corporate culture and quit my job. I was scared out of my mind, like terrified. And at this time, my little concept of the Essential 8 was still on a loose leaf paper, tucked in a notebook somewhere in my closet. So I called my best friend and I said, I'm thinking of starting a makeup line. And she's like, oh, remember that concept that you told me about like 10 years ago? You should do that. And we developed the whole line and the whole first iteration of Trestique and the Essential 8. Our customer is what made us really think about sustainability. We started getting a lot of emails. I don't like throwing away my packaging. It's so beautiful. Can you make your products refillable? We said, okay, we can do this. We can figure this out. It's going to take some time, but we can make it happen. It took us 2 years to be the most sustainable makeup brand in the industry. We've been able to achieve a zero-waste makeup refill system, and we want big corporations to be inspired by us because their impact on the environment is so much greater than Trestique's. If they can do the things that we've done, the world will be a better place. Growing up on an organic farm, I just knew that eventually one day I wanted to make things that actually made the planet a better place for my kids. Makeup is my small way of contributing.